Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how not to pack a ladder up. Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how not to pack a ladder up. How to pack a ladder up unsuccessfully. First of all, you need a ladder like this. And you need to do it like this, right up to the camera, so you can see the camera. Hello! And then you're going to pull these little tabs, and then you go, ooh, as if you're on the monkey bars. And then you do the same. Ooh, bah. Ooh. And then you got this ladder. So you just go like this. Heavy. That's how you flat pack that ladder. Oh! Sorry. Ladder flat pack.